Welcome to my presentation on topic production technology of citrus.
Hello everyone, myself Stanjin Lakfel, student of BSc Agriculture second year. Today I am here to discuss about my topic production technology of citrus, which is the topic of my course. And before starting my presentation, I would like to thank to my course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir to give me this opportunity.
Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir to give internal guidance and immense effort for our studies during the pandemic situation. These are the content of my topic which we will discuss one by one.
Introduction of citrus. Citrus, common name for several related evergreen trees and shrubs of the Rutaceae family, are generally for the fruit they produce, including the lemon, lime, orange extra. The plants are characterized by wing-like appendages on the leaf, fruit with spongy and juicy pulp divided in section. Many citrus plants have thorny branches. The leaves, flower, and rind of the fruit above in volatile oil and emit a spark fragrance. India ranks 6th in the production of citrus fruit in the world. Other major citrus producing countries are Spain, USA, South Africa, Japan, Brazil, and Cuba. Citrus contain high content of vitamin C. Citrus growing state in India: Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Bihar, Assam. Taxonomy. Botanical name Citrus spp. Kingdom Plantae. Family Rutaceae. Subfamily Orontiidae. Type of fruit: berry called Hesperidium. Chromosome number: the basic chromosome number of citrus and other related genera of the subfamily Orontiidae has been reported as X equals to 9. The majority of wild and cultivated form of Citracea identified as diploid, that is 2 and equals to 18. Edible parts: juicy placenta hairs. Type of pollination: self-pollination. Type of bearing habit: mixed bearing. Distribution: citrus are subtropical with ideal growing temperature at 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. Moisture is also a limiting factor in citrus production. When rainfall poorly distributed and it is necessary to supplement moisture by irrigation to ensure that moisture stress do not suppress growth and production. Citrus can be grown in a wide range of soil type provided they are well drained, fertile, well aerated soil with the pH of 6 to 6.5 are ideal. Native to Southeast Asia. Site selection: always an important consideration, is particularly critical in a region subjected to cold winter temperature. Varieties: citrus consist of many species, some of which are not even edible. Some varieties of the edible one have been, however, been recommended to be public. This includes lime, lemon, sweet orange, grapefruit, jaffa, musambi, kinnu. Site selection: the site should be level. It should be safe from erosion, floods, or heavy wind. That is, you will need windbreaks. Local construction material should be wood, brick, pole, and banana stem should be available. Labor to manage the nursery must be available. It need permanent water supply. It must be fenced to protect it against damage from animals. Well-rotted farmyard and manure, sand or decomposed sawdust and soil mixture must be available. Propagation and irrigation. The amount of water requirement of the citrus orchard depend on a number of factors, including crop growth stage and environmental conditions such as temperature, wind, relative humidity. For getting optimum and sustainable production in citrus orchard, proper irrigation schedule should be followed. Different irrigation method: flooding, furrow irrigation, drip irrigation. The young citrus plant up to the age of 4 years should be irrigated at weekly interval. Water application is crucial before sprouting in Feb, after set in April, and in hot weather. Otherwise, the growth of the tree may be adversely affected, resulting in excessive shedding of flowers or fruit. Note: for efficient use of water and for higher production, Kinnu orchid should be irrigated through drip irrigation. Training and pruning. Pruning healthy mature citrus as usually reduce yield in proportion to the amount of foliage removed and can be delay fruiting of young non-bearing trees. Most orchids must be pruned at some time during their development to avoid problems associated with dead wood and overcrowded trees. Crowded conditions result in poor light availability, loss of lower foliage and bearing wood, reduction in fruits yield, size and external quality. Grading, packaging and storage. Grading. Fruits are then graded according to their size and appearance in export market. Grade for orange and mandarins are extra special and commercial. Packaging. Fruits are wrapped in thin paper shrink film for controlling moisture loss and packed in wooden boxes or corrugated fiber boards cartons for distant markets. Storage in low temperature storage, temperature 8 to 10 centigrade and 90% RH shelf life is 6 to 8 weeks, and in CA storage, temperature 8 to 15 centigrade and oxygen 3 to 5%, it 8 to 10 weeks. International waxing and wax coating are useful for extending storage life. Disease factor favoring disease development. Various cultural practices like flood irrigation, low budding, deep planting, injuries to trunk and root during orchid operations, peeling of mature near the tree trunk, thick weed growth under the canopy. The optimum range of temperature 25 to 28 centigrade is favorable for the occurrence of the disease. One food caused by Phytophthora parasitica. Symptom: the first is oozing of gummy drops on the bark surface of the trunk, as usually below or above the bud union. The infected tree as usually produce large number of flowers which shed before fruit set and the plant die before fruit mature. Harvesting and yield. Harvesting. Generally, citrus tree bearing fruit 3 to 5 years from planting. It can be harvested 5 months from flowering depending on the variety and the environment. The fruit mature in 6 months. After flowering in Gujarat, after about 60% of the total crop is harvested during July to September, 30% from February to May. In North India, the main harvesting season is the month of August to September. Yield depending on the variety, but 1000 to 1500 fruit per plant. Worldwide citrus production. Below there is a table that shows about different citrus crop along with their major producing countries. Health benefits: citrus fruit, antioxidants, improve digestion, lower cholesterol, control blood pressure, prevent kidney stone, aid weight loss, promote healthy skin, boost immune system, cancer prevention, fight against and reduce wrinkles. Some health enhancing citrus fruits: lime, rejuvenate skin and reduce body odor; orange, renowned for their vitamin C content; grapefruit, protect against colon cancer; pomelos, aid the digestive process; lemon, help to prevent and treat infection. Some important questions from citrus SPP. First, dash a variety of citrus orange is introduced from India, and the answer is Sadgudi. Second, Bahar treatment in citrus is practiced in dash, and the answer is Central and West India. Third, citrus species indigenous to India, citrus dash, and the answer is Macropatera. Fourth, sweet lime only citrus fruit which contain dash, and the answer is malic acid. Fifth, lemon result in bitterness on dash, and the answer is oxidation. Sixth, Jaffa sweet orange is the best variety grown in dash, and the answer is Punjab. Seventh, Mossambi, a popular sweet orange, is predominantly grown in dash, and the answer is Maharashtra.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.